So we'll be back. We'll be back, and I can. Did you see it? What a fight was going just right now. It's like a match of the great play. Who would be better of the greatest in the world championship? Who will be better when the seed to be fed? Who the group versus the green group versus brown group, and as assuming that the green between the green team between one another units can be doing the argument. So I want to say that it is like BBC, Natural Geographic, into my own home place in the balcony. We can see the unique footages. We can see as well as the chronics of such interesting and wonderful watching for.